So what you do before lunch determines how successful you will be. In this video, you're going to discover 3 things that successful men do before lunch in order to become successful in life.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference, you know.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, author of the book I Love Public Speaking and creator of the Confident Speaker Conference. And if you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And we are doing the Confident Speaker Conference, which is the #1 most practical public speaking course for subject matter experts. And if you haven't booked your spot yet, you can call us and you can see if you qualify to attend the most practical public speaking course for yourself. Now, in this video, we are talking about 3 things that successful men do in order to become successful. 3 things, and I've found, I worked with a lot of people in different industries who come to me for coaching because they want to grow their business, they want to improve their life, they want to improve their confidence, and I see patterns in some people, and I've seen that the people who are mediocre and people who are average, they have certain habits, but the people who are really successful who come to me for coaching, they have a different set of habits. So I'm going to gift you 3 of these habits right now that you can do. Okay, so #1 thing that every successful man does before lunch is set the intention for the day. Set the intention for the day. Now, it's not about some to-do list, it's about having an intention. Successful people wake up in the morning and they ask themselves, what do I want my day to be about today? I have work, I have kids to pick up, I have kids to drop to the school, I have the groceries to buy, I have the wife to take to the shopping mall, I have the projects at office, I have the meetings, but what is my intention? See, that's called intentional conscious living. If you're not intentional about your living, in that case, what's happening is that you're just responding to other people's agenda all the time. So set the intention for your day. The second habit that every successful person has before lunch that they do is that they do something that scares them daily. That's right. You have to do things outside your comfort zone because the things inside your comfort zone are your danger zone. So you must have the discipline to go outside your comfort zone every single day. So if there is a task that is scaring you, maybe making that phone call or that email or that meeting, or there is something that you need to work on, do that immediately before lunch, because if you do that, you're setting the tone of the day in the highest possible way and you feel, man, I did something great in the beginning of the day. Now I have the entire day from 12 noon to 9 p.m. I'm going to be absolutely awesome. See, you have to convince yourself that you're making great progress by doing that. And the third habit and the third thing that a successful man does before lunch is learn to grow every single day. Whether it's listening to podcasts or watching these videos, or in fact the people who are part of the Confident Speaker Conference, they have some private content that we send them before they come to the workshop so they can actually consume the content to feel their confidence and absolutely improve their courage and certainty. They do that every single day. So if you're not yet part of the Confident Speaker Conference, it's okay. Don't come to the Confident Speaker Conference if you don't want to improve your confidence. That's okay. But what you can do is in the morning, spend some time, reading something, spend some time listening to audio programs, podcasts. Don't listen to the news. Don't just read the newspaper. Read something productive. Consume your brain into something powerful before lunch. So by the time it's 12 noon, you're like, man, bring it on. You have the intention for the day set up, you have done the hardest thing of the day already, and you are learning every single day. That's what leaders do. And this is exactly what we teach you inside our programs. In fact, here's the thing. Another thing that I've seen is successful people always have the discipline to really learn and grow and improve their confidence. So one of the things we do at the Confident Speaker Conference is we show you exactly how to double your confidence, how to tweak your presentation skills, because there is no point of having a lot of knowledge if you don't have confidence. And if you don't have confidence,
my biggest inspiration,
you don't have success. Right? You need that confidence. So you can call the number here to see if you're a good fit to join the Confident Speaker Conference. It's our flagship program to help subject matter experts like you become confident people. It's not a theoretical program. So like I said, I don't teach theory. So you're going to be coming to the stage, you're going to be giving presentation, I'm going to be giving you feedback, I'm going to teach you every single thing. And all the people who come to the program, they really improve. I mean, we had one person in the last group who came, and he was shaking before any presentation, and at the end of the program, like in 48 hours, he was like, Bishal, I want to give more presentation. I said, how did that happen? He said, Bishal, I learned your formula. Now I don't feel that stage fear anymore. I don't have that connection problem anymore. I'm getting the right words at the right time because I'm feeling confident. So if you want results like that, you can call us on the number here to book your spot for the Confident Speaker Conference. I hope you enjoy the video. Like I said, if you enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel. So the 3 tips are: number 1, set the intention for the day. Number 2, do something that scares you every single day and learn every single day in the morning, whether it's podcast, it's video, it's book, it's a coaching program, talking to a coach. Do that and you will have amazing success in your life. That's my tip for you right now. Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection, it's all about connection.